On-the-job training at Toyota Calamba, Laguna. In Laguna, Philippines, Toyota Calamba, Laguna is an authorized Toyota dealership that sells cars and provides auto repair and parts. The facility has a state-of-the-art body and paint department that offers premium collision repair and refinishing in accordance with Toyota's international standards. During my on-the-job training, I was assigned to this department to gain first-hand experience in vehicle body repair and painting operations. My training aimed to expose me to industry-level automotive processes while enhancing my technical and professional skills. On-the-job training objectives: use the knowledge of mechanical engineering to actual automobile tasks. Get practical experience painting and repairing bodies. Develop discipline and professional workplace skills. One of my main objectives for this OJT was to apply what I've learned in my mechanical engineering course to actual automotive servicing. In the body and paint department, I was able to see how engineering principles are used in repair processes, from material selection to workflow efficiency. Another goal was to gain hands-on experience, actually using the tools, following repair procedures, and assisting in real body repair and painting jobs. Lastly, I aim to develop my professional skills such as teamwork, communication, and discipline, which are just as important as technical knowledge in the workplace. OJT scope and activities. Incoming units for repair were encoded into the system. Observe the process of estimating automobile damage. Updated the Job Control Office repair status. Help with the paperwork needed to release the repaired units. Observe the last automobile being inspected for quality. Skills learned. Technical skills. Proficient at monitoring repair statuses with repair management software. Damage estimates from the estimation method were interpreted. Aware about the quality control methods used on automobiles that have been repaired. Knowledgeable about workflow monitoring and document handling. Concepts from quality assurance, process optimization, and applied system analysis. Soft skills. Enhanced communication by means of departmental cooperation. Capable of managing a variety of changing tasks with flexibility. Improve organizational and time management abilities. Develop professionalism, patience, and collaboration. Improve ability to solve problems in a hectic work setting. In technical skills, I learned to use repair management software, interpret damage assessments, follow quality control procedures, and handle documents efficiently. The skills strengthened my knowledge in system analysis and process optimization. For soft skills, I improved my communication adaptability, time management, and teamwork while working in a fast-paced environment. Conclusion. My on-the-job training at Toyota Calamba, Laguna Body and Paint Department gave me excellent practical knowledge in auto completion and repair. Along with developing professional work habits, I also required technical abilities that would help me in my future engineering career. Acknowledgements. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the following: the entire Toyota Calamba, Laguna organization and the Body and Paint Department, including its management and mentors, for their guidance, support, and the opportunity to learn throughout my training. Colegio de Muntinlupa and my OJT coordinator for facilitating this learning opportunity. My family, friends, and partner for their unwavering encouragement. My fellow trainees and colleagues for their collaboration and assistance. Thank you for watching and listening.